Nirvana is one of the most misunderstood ideas in Buddhism. Some imagine it as heaven. Others think it means disappearing from life or escaping the world. But the Buddha described nirvana in a very different way, not as a place you go, but as a state of freedom you realize. The Buddha taught that nirvana is the end of suffering, not the end of life, but the end of inner burning, the constant fire of craving, fear, anger, and attachment. The word nirvana literally means to blow out, like a flame going out when fuel is removed. The flame is suffering, the fuel is desire and ignorance. We suffer because the mind clings. It clings to pleasure, to identity, to control, to how things should be. Even happiness becomes stressful when we fear losing it. The Buddha saw that as long as the mind keeps clinging, peace cannot last. Nirvana is what remains when clinging ends. There is a story where someone asked the Buddha, "What happens to a person after they attain nirvana?" The Buddha replied with a question. "When a fire goes out, where does it go? North, south, east, or west?" The question itself was wrong. The fire does not go anywhere. It simply becomes free from burning. Nirvana is not emotional numbness. It is clarity, joy without fear, peace without dependence, a mind that experiences life fully, without being controlled by craving or aversion. Pain may still arise, but suffering does not take root. The Buddha also taught that nirvana is not reserved for the afterlife. It can be tasted here and now, in moments when the mind is free from grasping, a moment without craving, a moment without fear, a moment of pure presence. These moments point toward nirvana. Importantly, nirvana is not achieved by force. You cannot chase it. The more you crave nirvana, the further it feels. The Buddha taught a path of wisdom, ethics, and meditation, not to reach nirvana, but to remove what blocks it. Think of nirvana not as becoming something new, but as unburdening yourself, dropping what was never necessary, letting go of illusions about who you must be and what you must have. The Buddha taught that ultimate freedom is possible, not by escaping life, but by understanding it deeply. When ignorance fades, when attachment loosens, what remains is peace that does not depend on conditions. That peace is called nirvana. If this explanation brought clarity, like the video, share it with someone curious about Buddhist wisdom and subscribe to Insight of Buddha. Because nirvana is not far away, it begins the moment suffering is understood and released.